We are in Knoxville, Tennessee. We just parked in the G17 garage here at the University of Tennessee, and Heather and I are going to a football game. We found Casey, and we are heading to the Vol Walk. Okay, that's the torchbearer up there behind me, and the team just walked by. How crazy is that? So we're here just outside the Student Union. There is the stadium behind us, and we're on that bridge that's right by the Student Union, and the band is supposed to march by here in a little bit. There's somebody walking on the very top of the stadium. I'm thinking probably TV crew or something, but wow, that's way up there. The band is coming, the band is coming, the band is coming. In the stadium and climbing our way up to our seats in section C, row 50 something. But we're still not in the upper level, even on row 50 something. There's some of the classroom buildings over there. We found our seats. We found our seats. This place is crazy. Say hi, Heather. Okay, I got Heather to our seats. So now I'm climbing up to the top of this thing to see where Casey's sitting. I think she's on the very back row. Not sure. All right, Casey's up here in section HH, row 32. Row 33 is the very top. There's the Sun Sphere, downtown Knoxville, Henley Bridge, Railroad Bridge, Tennessee River, Jumbotron, and the field. Hey, there's some Burns boys. Here's the view from the beer line. After many trips to the concession stand, I am finally seated, and a visit to Casey's section as well. So let's look and see the warm-ups a little bit.
We thank you for joining us tonight and being a part of your team as we celebrate the 100th season of Neyland Stadium. Let's light this place up!
Snap as a ball. It's halftime. We're not doing nearly as good as I would hope, and I'm taking a long walk for a short beer line. We'll see how it goes. I walked all the way around to section M/N and found a somewhat reasonable beer line. Score at halftime, 14-6. Tennessee gets the ball to start the third quarter. Apparently, I'm walking all the way around the stadium in a clockwise direction, trying to make my way back to section C. Let's keep on digging. I got my beer. Okay, I finally made it back down to my seat. 13 minutes left in the fourth quarter. Touchdown time. Come on, baby. Hello, students. Say hello. Hello, students. Second one on the 8th. 19.
Let's go!
Well, that was completely awesome as we leave the stadium with, look at this, look at all these people I got. There's Heather, wait, no, that's Casey, and there's Ian, and there's Heather. And we are leaving the stadium. Tennessee did not cover the point spread, but they came pretty close. Okay, so we're still basically right by the stadium, but also here is, what's the name of this building?
Alumni Memorial.
That's the Alumni Memorial Building, which Casey and Ian both have a class in. And one time before Casey started school up here, she and I went into that building. We thought we were in the stadium. That's how close it is. We weren't in the stadium. That's how that worked out. Okay, bye. All right, we're walking across the pedestrian bridge that goes over Philip Fulmer Drive. And there's Neyland Stadium in the background. It was a lot of fun coming to the first football game of the year and the first football game of the 100th anniversary of Neyland Stadium. All right, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Sorry about the horrible video quality. That's what happens when you do a complete vlog from your phone. Goodbye from the University of Tennessee in Knoxville.